Short question 1. Differentiate between qualitative and quantitative analysis. Short question 2. Concentrated HCl and KMNO4 solutions cannot be filtered by gauge crucible. Give reason. Question 3. Give the salient features of the solvent used for crystallization. Question 4. Name the steps which are used in crystallization. Question 5. Write down any two methods of drawing of crystals. Question 6. How crystals are dried in vacuum desiccator. Question 7. Define sublimation with two examples. Question 8. Iodine is more soluble in water in presence of potassium iodide. Discuss the reason. Question 9. Define solvent extraction and distribution law. Question 10. Why is there a need to crystallize a crude product? Question 11. How crystals are dried in an oven. Question 12. Write any two uses of chromatography. Question 13. How undesirable colors in crystallization process can be removed. Question 14. What is RF value? Write its unit. Question 15. Describe gauge crucible. Question 16. How can rate of filtration can be increased by fluted filter paper? And question 17. Define ether extraction. And the last one, question 18. Differentiate between adsorption and partition chromatography.